Regional Boundary Committee jangka West Kasir District apok kajalam jong ba Polungdo ubalang menteri jangka Sakar Jela baka Regional Boundary Committee jangka Kamrup na Assam apok kajalam jong menteri Chandra Mohan Patwar hakajalan kabalang mutasni apok Shnong kilarai ba kini ke committee ken pei ki Shnong ki thau ki bahap apok kajing kaput jangka Jela Mekhlia bat ka Assam bakin pei Thik ning ki Shnong ki benan apok Jingïakajia put Leng bajong kani an kampenrit ini kampenduna ye ki Shnong ki badi bi Thik akato ka benta bad da ka penrit ye ka jeli kenang bagi officer bagi ka company kan suk akabakan ya penbaik habaya kan bagi to ko khobor hadi malawai kan ni ka jingalang da kalang jing ni ki menteri kan thop yuwa polungdo bad upatwar ki laong bana kalang ka committee hadi bakal de penpej ani penrit ka jeli jong ni ki Shnong na kalang ki ke seli menjurip ye ki Shnong baro hadi malakot ka dor bar senrai jong berarti ki yung wato an jong ka Jela Mekhlia bad ka Assam nakalang juga niki anggota kementeri ru kila kentak banyak thu kedan hadu kan nutli ki Shnong nakabaong ba kan dika komiti kadang pek ya kini ki Shnong kanang ba kenem 48 penpau syaba kanang ba kanang kena ya kini ka jengkran penwit put hapen kini ki atli komiti ba khamtap me apren ki artli ki Jela.
At the end of today's meeting of the two regional committees, we had our friends from the Assam Regional Committee led by Mr. CM Patwari is here, Honorable Minister Forest and Environment and Chairman of the Regional Committee for the Kamrup sector, and he was joined. Honorable Minister Mr. CM Patwari, Chairman of the Regional Committee Kamrup sector, led the Assam side. He was accompanied by senior officials including the DC and the SP of Kamrup district, and from the Regional Committee West Khasi Hills sector, I led the Meghalaya side and was accompanied by MLAs, Renington, Mobin, and also Mr. Methodius and Mr. Bajok, member of the District Council, DC, SP, and ADC, West Khasi Hills. So the discussions were very productive. The discussions were held in a very congenial atmosphere, and substantive progress was reached at today's discussions. First was that we had narrowed down the areas of conflict or areas where both states have claims and counterclaims. We have narrowed down the number of such areas, and to go to specifics, that is to go to the exact villages, names of villages or hamlets. The two DCs as well as the local MDC have been entrusted with the task of preparing a list, which will then the two regional committees will again meet after the end of the assembly sessions. Both Assam and Meghalaya have assembly sessions in the month of September, but towards the end of September, we will go for an on-site visit. The areas we will try to cater to 4 or 5 villages and choose a central point as the meeting point, and we'll then go on a few of these site visits in the month of September. So briefly, that was the content on the discourse that happened today. So, Mr. Patwari.
They have narrowed down the areas of dispute. Can we have a little more information, like from how many areas that we have zeroed down to come to so and so areas?
No, actually, right at this moment, I said that in the interest of the discussion and in the interest of concluding this discussion with a fruitful result, I hope right at this moment we better not to mention the village, the areas unless we visit those areas. So I hope our friends from different press, either electronic media or print media, I hope for solving this long-standing issue, you will cooperate us and you will extend your help to us to conclude with a good solution acceptable for Meghalaya and Assam as well.
Let's say out of 10 that you today you had discussion, how many you have narrowed down?
When we say narrow down, it means that from 10 it has gone down. So it could,
Till how many?
Maybe.
we cannot be specific because these matters are hypersensitive. 2, we do not want needless controversy. 3, we do not want any groups with vested interests to then take advantage of the discussions because the discussions are ongoing.
Ongoing.
Sir, has there been the exchange of documents between Assam
Yes.
and Meghalaya?
Yes.
Yes.
Bapol, you mentioned about